Most people fail on YouTube not because they are untalented, but because they follow outdated advice. In 2026, YouTube is no longer about luck, viral hacks, or fake growth. It's about systems, strategy, and trust. Welcome back to Mendit Tech. If you're new here, this channel is all about smart tech education, real digital skills, and ethical online growth. And also welcome to this complete YouTube Mastery 2026 course. This is not a motivational series. This is not a shortcut course. And this is definitely not about buying views or subscribers. This is a step-by-step roadmap to help you create a YouTube channel correctly, grow it organically, monetize it ethically, and build long-term income, not temporary hype. This course is for beginners starting from zero, creators stuck with no growth, people who want real income, not fake screenshots. This course is not for people looking for overnight success, people who want to cheat the algorithm, people who won't take action. What makes this course different? Everything you'll learn here is updated for 2026 YouTube algorithm, mobile-friendly, AI-aware but human-focused, ethical, safe, and long-term. No tricks. No risky methods. Only what actually works. This course is divided into 22 clear videos. We'll cover channel creation, niche selection, content strategy, thumbnails and retention, shorts growth, monetization beyond ads, brand deals, marketing, channel safety, and a full 90-day action plan. Each video builds on the previous one. If you're serious about YouTube in 2026, subscribe to Mendit Tech now and turn on notifications. This entire course will be published step by step on Mendit Tech. In my next video, I'll break down how the YouTube algorithm actually works in 2026, in simple language, without confusion. Let's build something real.